Alright guys, welcome back to Ninja Guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Photoshop. It's actually really easy and simple. So first things first guys, we're going to get a font to download. So what you need to do is search on Google Fonts Download, and you're going to see a bunch of different websites with many different fonts. But what I want to do is guys, I'm going to show you this website, thefont.com. I've been using this for years. It is actually the best website. It's completely free guys. You can see a bunch of different fonts. There's thousands and thousands of them. Look at this, guys. Okay, these are some really. Oh, I like this one. This is a really nice font. This is also good, guys. I'm gonna pick this font, and if you want to download it, guys, see it's free for personal use. So all you need to do, guys, is actually let's pick this one, guys. Let's do this. Let's do something different. This looks like handwritten font. So all you need to do is click on download. Okay, click on this download button, and it's gonna start downloading automatically, guys. It's gonna start downloading up here automatically. As you can see, guys, it has now started downloading, and here we go. All you need to do now is right click and show in folder. And now what we're going to do, guys, so basically we're going to be extracting this font, and we are going to install it. So I have clicked on show in folder, and now I'm just going to wait for this to load up. And then I'm going to show you how we can just install this font, guys. Okay, here we go. Here we go, guys. So this is the font, and now I want to install it. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to actually, you can just open with WinRAR right here. You don't need to actually extract it because it's usually just one file. So I'm just going to click on open with WinRAR, and then we're going to see right here, guys, Rose Dreams, personal use only. This is an open type font file. You want to open the file that says open type font file. This is important, guys. So just right click it, actually double click this, and it's going to open up. And then if you want to install this, guys, all you need to do, is click on install. That's all you need to do. Click on install, and it's going to start installing this font to your PC. You can use it in different web softwares. So it's called Rosaline Dreams, right? Rosaline Dreams has already installed in my PC. Now all I need to do is open up Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how we can use it. Let me do that really quick. All right, guys, Photoshop is now open. Now we're going to add some text, okay? Click on this and add a text box right here. We're going to be adding a text box, okay? Initializing type tool. We're just going to wait this out, and we're going to be adding text. So, just going to come here, create a text box. Oops, not there. That's not where I want my text box. And just move this here, actually. Okay, let's make the text box right here, guys. We're going to be making it right here. And now we're going to be adding, this is a text layer we have added. We're going to create a new layer here, guys. We're going to create a new layer, and then we're going to make that to a text layer. So just click here to add a new layer. Then we're going to write text. We're going to write test text. Okay. This is good. Good. Okay. So if you want to change this, right, it was Rosalie, right? So you highlight this, come here into fonts, and we're going to look for Rosalie. We can just type it out. Where is Rosalie? We just downloaded Rosaline's Dreams right here, guys. Check this out, guys. It has now changed the font, and I'm gonna actually make it bigger, guys, so you can see it much better now. Check this out, guys. This text is good. Look at this. So we have basically added this font. I can show you some other fonts that I have added before. Some really cool ones. I can show you right here. Look, I've added these ones. Take a shot. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Looks good. Okay, this looks like a bloodshot text. Let me make this bigger for you guys. So you can play around and download many different types of fonts depending on the style you are trying to achieve, guys. Look at this. This is a text with blood on it and bullets. It's really good for it, but depending on what kind of project you're working on. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you're still having trouble. We're going to help you out in the comments. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides so